The long-awaited foldable phone from OnePlus is expected to launch in August, and now the first set of CAD-based renders have been leaked due to on leaks. The OnePlus V Fold will not be a rebadge Oppo Find N2, but it will sport a larger footprint, more in line of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Vivo X Fold 2. So you can say it's a sister version of Vivo's X Fold 2, as it is owned by the same BBK group. In terms of design, you can see OnePlus V Fold will bring a sleek metal sides and tall cover screen with a punch-hole camera. The back appears to have a leather-like finish and a prominent camera ring housing 3 sensors and Hasselblad branding. Based on the rumors, you can see it has a 50 megapixel main camera, which is the IMX890, along with unspecified ultra-wide and periscope camera. The cover display will have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. While the renders don't give the exact dimension of the main screen, rumors suggest it will be an LTPO screen with a screen resolution around 1900 and 2100 pixel range and 120 Hz refresh rate. There's a fingerprint scanner and the power button, as well as 3 speakers with 1 locator on the bottom next to the USB-C ports and 2 on the top. OnePlus V Fold is expected to debut with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset and 4800 mAh battery with support up to 100 watts of fast charging.